So icrush yam uDr Mbongiseni Dlozi akakabi married, so umuntu usase girlfriend, so ngicela abakwazi ukusheshisa abasheshise ngoba wow. So angali guys, but what I know it's that good relationship iyasupportana. Yes, others might say ukuthi no, but umuntu akusi forced ukuthi asupport iEFF nani, but emphakathini iappeara gabi ayiveli kahle. So apparently bekune rumor yokuthi Dr Dlozi uyahamba naye ku EFF. Apparently it was alleged ukuthi chances are naye uyojoina iMK. Mina as EFF fan nami bengekho right ngoba mina ngiyayithanda iEFF, yabo. So umuntu liked and commented and whatever, and obviously uJulius Malema had to come and address it ukuthi umfazi, how can you entertain such? We know ukuthi guys iqiniso lento ethi behind a strong man there's a strong woman, right? So chances are uNdlozi angane ahamba ku EFF, but not because of uyafuna, but because of influence ebuya kule girlfriend. I don't know ngirong or ngiright, because from what I know uNdlozi no muntu, they not yet married, it's still a girlfriend no boyfriend, right? Meaning icrush yesizwe is still available ukuthi bangamthatha athole unkosikazi o right ozomleader to the right direction, because ngathi umuntu ufuna ukumleadela ku MK. Kukhona ekenzakalayo ku EFF mhlambe singakwazi, maybe umuntu knows a lot, but because of akakwazi ukukhuluma, that's why she's keeping quiet. You understand? So do you guys think ukuthi umuntu should be supporting EFF just because uNdlozi supports EFF? Like what's your take? Like nithini? Ngicela si discuss le ndaba, kodwa mina ngiphathanga kahleke ukuthi umuntu uyasijikela thina bakwa EFF, yabo, ngoba manje as igirlfriend uyakwazi ukuthola igirlfriend allowance because of EFF.